Hey there, I'm Dave, the Notion coach, and I'm super excited to share some more details and info about our upcoming Notion Consulting Bootcamp, which is kicking off April 22nd. I wanted to just do a quick intro video to highlight some key changes and a few big updates that I'm excited to walk through to get a sense of this is a course that's right for you. The bootcamp is specifically designed for Notion experts and potentially already have their own business, but want to kickstart your Notion consulting business and need some guidance and support on how to do that. If these statements resonate, like you've been wanting to launch your consulting business, you're not exactly sure where to start, you need help just getting off the ground and getting clients, these are the answers that we're trying to get to you in the course. Some things to keep in mind there. If we haven't crossed paths before, I'm Dave the Cespedes. I've been a certified Notion consultant for a little over 2 years now. I got into consulting from teaching and prior to that from architecture. Jumped into this space of operations and automation, all that good stuff. Gradually weaving in that story, and really is the most common story where everybody's coming in from a different background. Key outcomes for the bootcamp. It's looking at ways to leverage your existing skills and expertise and building systems around that to create resources for your target audience, to generate the right leads and turn those leads into clients and projects. The big goal here is generating recurring revenue and having autonomy and control over what types of projects you're taking on, the scope those projects are, and how that fits into your just larger professional goals. We completed our first cohort back in October and had a lot of positive reviews. The main consensus is everybody really connected with smaller group sessions where we can take these ideas and hash them out in small groups and then come back together and highlight our takeaways. It's something we're definitely doubling down on in the second cohort to clarify what type of business we're trying to build. Getting into specifics of the 6 key modules in the course, we're defining our niche, including what products or services are you creating, who are they for, do you have backing or validation on the problems that you're trying to solve, is there clear evidence that those problems exist and are common, leveraging creating templates and creating content to create more inbound leads and attract the type of companies and the type of clients that you want to work with. Modules 4 through 6 are about turning those leads into clients, managing projects effectively, strategies that have worked well to make sure that clients have what they need, those workspaces are sustainable and grow and improve over time. And most importantly, leveraging current and previous clients for referrals, for testimonials, and connecting with those clients to propel your business forward and leverage that growth. In terms of the calendar, this is something that I'm probably most excited about. Is in this cohort, we have 4 guest speakers. They're all top tier certified Notion consultants who have been doing this, I think, longer than I have, and are all coming at this from a different business model and a different focus area. Big goal with this course is to leave with a good understanding of the different paths we can take when building our consulting business and get a sense of how other consultants have done it, what has worked, what has not worked. We're kicking off April 22nd and wrapping up May 17th. There are some asynchronous lessons in between these. So there's 20 in total, counting the live sessions. So every day we are creating something that's building momentum for launching our business. FAQs, this is questions that have come up so far for people already on the wait list. I'll share the page of this with this video, but if we can't make it to some live sessions, it's definitely not a deal breaker. We are getting the most value if we could attend the live sessions because, again, those breakout sessions are what separates this course apart and allows us to connect with other aspiring consultants, get a sense of where everybody's coming from, and most importantly, getting feedback on what you're thinking in terms of your niche, the products and services that you're making. In terms of the course materials, we are using Circle for the course, so that organizes all the lesson materials. And then we have a few channels where we're updating and uploading our work, connecting with other students, and using that for communications throughout the course. In terms of hands-on projects, we are looking at some demo and mock-up scenarios for client projects and allowing us to build and get feedback again and making sure that's the right audience and the right service that we want to invest in long term. In terms of support, I'm doing my best to get back to everybody if there's feedback, but a lot of the feedback is coming from your peers. Again, one of the big benefits of having a live course. And in terms of opportunities, This is meant to be a system where we could think through what templates and resources are we creating for our target audience? How does that attract the right clients that we want to work with, and building that trust and relationship in order to turn that into conversations and turning those into deals to grow your business. I went through a lot of trial and error over the past 2 years, and especially in that first year. So making sure that you get the things that have worked and that have been successful to accelerate that process. Open enrollment is starting April 7th. Enrollment is already open for everybody that's currently on the wait list. So if you are interested, definitely do a deep dive on this page and join the wait list to get early enrollment. The number of students is going to be capped. And again, opening April 8th, definitely reach out. I'll also add my email if you have any questions. And for everybody on the wait list, I will be adding a link to book a call if you do have questions that you want to go over before purchasing the course. So hope that's helpful, and I hope that you'll join us. And if you have questions, definitely reach out, send me a DM, send me an email. But otherwise, hope to see you in the course. Cheers.